Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine. Students, today we will learn about vehicles. Firstly, tell me, have you seen any vehicle in the sky?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Aeroplane, helicopter, air balloons,
Good.
jet,
Jet. Spelling of jet?
Z-E-T, jet.
No. J-E-T,
Jet.
jet. Students, let us see on this page. Okay, there are many vehicles. Let us read the name of these. BALLOON, balloon. TRAIN, train. YACHT, yachet. BOAT, boat. BUS, bus. CAR, car. SCOOTER, scooter. AUTO, auto. RICKSHAW, rickshaw, auto, rickshaw. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Aeroplane moves in air. HELI, heli. COPTER, copter. Helicopter also moves in air. SHIP, ship. Ship moves in water. BICYCLE, bicycle. CYCLE, cycle. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. Cycle, rickshaw. ROAD, road. Students, let's do an activity. Take one sheet, pencil, and draw an
Air balloon.
air balloon. Right? Okay. Let us see which shape is this? Trapezium. Students, if you can do anything wrong, you can use eraser to erase it. Now see it. Yes. You can draw an aeroplane, a jet. Okay, see. Very good. Yes. Make circle proper. Yes. Good. Semicircle. Yes. Students, see, air balloon is ready. You can fill color in it. Okay. Then write the name AIR, air, BALLOON, air balloon. Okay. Students, after doing this, show it to your parents. Okay. Next, now we will draw an aeroplane. Everybody like aeroplane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Students, where do you want to go in an aeroplane? In which country do you want to go? By
Australia.
Australia. Wow. Australia is a continent. See. Wow. Well done. Nice. Now windows are ready. Good. Students, see and write the name of aeroplane. A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, plane. C, air balloon and aeroplane. Okay. After doing this, color it and show it to your friends and family members. Okay. Students, open your book I Can Achiever level 5 and page number 62. Write L for land, A for air, W for water in the boxes to show whether the given transport moves on land, air and water. Okay, firstly see the picture of a vehicle and then write L, A or W according to the need. Okay. Students, let's do an activity. Take one sheet and color tape. Make a track on sheet. See, like this. Yes. Make a track. Right? You can use any color. Okay. You can use the color of tape of your choice, your favorite color. Okay. Make a track like this. You can make it zigzag also. Okay. You can take help of your parents for this. Good. See. Now our track is ready. Students, now we use a card and play on the road. Now car is moving on the track. See here, yes. You are watching? Good. Students, enjoy your activity. Yes. You can draw any car, jeep, your cycle on the track. Okay. Then show it to your family members and after this keep your things on proper place. Students, open page 63. trace the path from the vehicle to the person who controls it. Like rocket controls astronaut, train engine driver, aeroplane pilot, ship captain. Okay, students, now open your book, doodle book of rhymes and stories. Open page 38. Students, let's read the story Metro Train Ride. Metro is a train. Okay, it is Divya's first metro train ride. She is happy to go for a ride with her mother. The train is very crowded and old man is standing. Who is standing?
Old man.
Old man. Divya offers her seat to him with a smile. Who offers seat?
Divya.
The old man praises Divya and thanks her.
Diya.
Students, thank you. The little girl and Divya said, you are welcome. Okay, students, these are good manners. Now, after this, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in this session. Students, you have learned so many things like vehicles moves in the sky, moves in air, and you also know how we can make a track on sheet. Students, use mask to protect the coronavirus. Use sanitizer to sanitize your hands. Play with your friends and practice the rhymes you have learned in your previous session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.